Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download DoorDash application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and also make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in DoorDash and search. Look for this application from DoorDash Inc. and tap on the download button to begin downloading your DoorDash application. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your iOS device. DoorDash application is a versatile tool for anyone looking to order food delivery or even groceries, pet supplies, and more. You can browse through local restaurants, customize your order, track your delivery, save payment information, and much more. The application is available for both iOS and Android devices. You can download it from your App Store or your Google Play Store and create an account. Sign in with your existing account. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch Open DoorDash on your mobile device. So that's how easily you can download the DoorDash application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.